PRISM Live Studio versus Turnip. Which live streaming app is better? Choosing the right live streaming app can completely change how you engage your audience without technical hassles. We'll explore both PRISM Live Studio and Turnip briefly. PRISM Live Studio and Turnip are two popular live streaming apps designed for content creators. The core difference lies in PRISM's extensive customization and effects versus Turnip's focus on simplicity and social interaction features. PRISM Live Studio is a versatile live streaming app that offers powerful tools for both beginners and advanced users. It allows streaming to multiple platforms simultaneously with real-time video effects, filters, and overlays to enhance the visual experience. The app supports screen sharing, adding images, text, and music, making it ideal for dynamic broadcasts. PRISM's interface is intuitive yet packed with features, including customizable layouts and multi-camera support. Its strengths lie in its extensive creative control and professional-grade tools without needing extra hardware. However, this feature richness can make it slightly overwhelming for users seeking a quick setup. It also requires a stable internet connection and a moderately powerful device to run smoothly. PRISM Live Studio is best suited for content creators who want to produce polished, visually engaging streams with a variety of interactive elements and effects. Turnip is a live streaming app designed with a focus on ease of use and community engagement. It simplifies the streaming process with a clean interface and quick setup, making it accessible for casual streamers and social broadcasters. Turnip emphasizes real-time interaction through built-in chat features, viewer participation tools, and social sharing options. While it offers fewer customization and visual effects compared to PRISM Live Studio, Turnip excels at creating a friendly, interactive environment for streamers and their audiences. The app runs efficiently on most devices and requires less technical knowledge, making it perfect for users who prioritize connection over complex production. Limitations include reduced creative control and fewer advanced streaming features, which might not satisfy professional streamers. Turnip is ideal for casual streamers or those who want to focus on community building without the distraction of managing multiple production elements. PRISM Live Studio and Turnip serve different streaming needs. PRISM is like a professional studio in your pocket, perfect for creators who want to add effects, overlays, and stream to several platforms at once. It's suited for gamers, educators, and influencers aiming for high production value. On the other hand, Turnip prioritizes simplicity and social interaction, making it great for casual streamers, live chats, and community-driven content. If you want fast setup and easy viewer engagement without complex tools, Turnip fits well. The trade-off is that Turnip lacks PRISM's advanced customization and multi-streaming capabilities. Choosing between them depends on whether you value creative control and production features, or ease of use and social connectivity. Choose PRISM Live Studio if you need powerful customization, multi-platform streaming, and professional quality effects for your live broadcasts. Turnip is the better choice for casual streamers who want quick setup and strong community interaction without technical complexity. Both apps excel in their areas, so pick the one that matches your streaming style and audience engagement goals.